let's say for example we were to multiply a 3-digit number in base 5 to a 2-digit number in base 5. It's still the same process like we do when we're working in this thing, but the only difference is that our result, any of our results should be less than 5. So we start like we do 4 times 4 is 16. 16 is greater than 5, so you subtract 5 from 16, you get 11. Subtract 5 from 11, you get 6. 6 is still greater, you subtract 5 from 6, you get 1. Our result is 1, so we write 1. How many times do we use 5? We use it 3 times, so you add 3 to this, you put 3 on top of 2, and you do 4 times 2, that's 8. 8 plus 3, that's 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. So write 11. 11, can't just write it down here because it's definitely greater than 5. So subtract 5 from it, you get 6. 6 is still greater than 5. Subtract 5 from 6, you get 1. Our result is 1, so we write 1. How many times do we subtract 5 from it? We do it twice. So you put 2 on top of 3. You go 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. You can't write 14 here. It's greater than 5. Definitely write it out. Then you subtract 5 in your rough book. Subtract 5 from 14, you get 9. You subtract 5 from 9, you get 4. Write your 4. You write your 4 here. And how many times did you subtract 5 from 14 to get a number less than twice? 2 times. So you write 2 here. Since there's no number, you multiply, drag it down. As 2, 4, 1, 1. Then you have this other number 1. You multiply 1 by each of the digits. 1 times 4 is 4, because 4 is less than 5, you write it. 2 times 1 is 2, you write it because it's less than 5. 3 times 1 is 3. And like you leave a space like we do in our multiplication, you leave a space before you write the result behind the second digit from the back. Then you add like we do in maths, visual maths in base 10, you add it and watch down to your answer. Your values should be less than 5. You add 1 and dot is 1. Then 1 and 4, 1 plus 4, that's 5. You can't write 5. Base 5 means all numbers should be less than 5. So you put your 5 outside, you subtract from 5 to get a number less than 5, which is 0. You have to write your 0 here, which is your result. And how many times you subtract 5 from the actual 5 was 1, so you add 1 to this. So it will be 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, that's 7. You can't write 7 here because 7 is obviously bigger or greater than 5. So you write your 7 outside in your rough book, subtract 5 from 7, you get 2. 2 is a number less than 5, is our result. So you write it here. How many times do you subtract 5 from 7? Just only once. You add the 1 here. Now you have this, you have 2 plus 1, that's 3. 3 plus 3, that's 6. You can't actually write 6 here because the number greater than 5, so you write it outside. The 6 is outside, you subtract 5 from 6, you get 1. And since 1 is less than 5, you write it, that's our result. How many times did you use subtract 5 from 6? That's 1. You write here, since there's no addition to be made here, and this number is standing alone, you drag it down, and our final answer is 11201 base 5 as our final answer.